The Activity tab provides the options that you have to convert activities. Activities in Act is everything that is a to-do, calls, meetings, and any custom activities. In the Synchronizer, the custom activities become meetings. So any custom activity that you define, like vacation or anything like that, becomes a meeting. So you can enable calls and conversion of calls, conversion of meetings and to-dos. You can enable and disable them as you want for each particular user. In addition, you can allow it to convert alarms. We do not recommend doing that because Outlook will start popping alarms and you may actually hang your machine. You can also convert to cleared activities. By default, we do not convert any activity that is cleared. But if you want to convert your cleared activities to Outlook, you can enable that. And you can also exclude any private activities from Act and Outlook from actually swapping between Act and Outlook. So you can keep those personal. You can also enable a filter to which activities you want to convert or when. So anything before, for example, here we can say before September 9th, anything that has actually been scheduled after September 9th will be converted or synchronized, or it will be anything before then will be ignored. If you choose to select or to use the filtering mechanism, we recommend that you start with an empty activity database in Outlook. So basically, all the activities in Outlook are empty, and then we convert those only the activities that have been filtered in. The subject line modification settings are a very powerful feature on the Synchronizer to make it easy for you to find items in your meetings or in your calendar in Outlook and in your tasks. We provide you can modify your calendar or you can modify your tasks subject lines. You can tag the calls. That means we put a call in front of the item in the calendar, or we can tag the meetings. So if it's a meeting, we'll say meeting. If it's vacation, we'll say vacation. Or we can abbreviate the tags. We can say, oh, M is for meetings or C is for calls. In addition, you can also add the date, the name, the company name, the phone number, and the owner for that particular call, meeting, or task. Now let's look at the calendar that's resulted from a synchronization. We can see here from the selected record that we have a customer name, a company name, a phone number, and the delimiter that we insert on the subject line so we can actually parse it properly. As well, we put a contract negotiations on there, which is the regarding field in Act. When we synchronize back, all these pieces are actually removed from the subject line of the particular calendar item.